This is a short video on Enhanced Notes, one of the GP elements from ISE software. As with the standard GP data and other add-ins, the extended notes data is stored within the company database and SQL Server. The standard note holds information in the SY3900 table. When Enhanced Notes is installed, the most recent note is stored in that table, with the rest of them being in the Enhanced Notes note extension table, which you can see here. This means the data is available for reporting in any of the standard reporting tools. So for example, what I have is I've created a smart list on the system, which is available under Sales for Customer Notes. And in here we see the standard customer information and then the enhanced notes which exist against that customer record. In my case, this was created using Smart List Builder, but Smart List Designer could be used, Refreshable Excel reports, SQL Server Reporting Services reports, or any of the other reporting tools such as Jet Reports which work with GP. In this case, it's a simple Smart List which has been built using the customer Smart List as the foundation and joining to the Enhanced Notes extension table. And all the different fields are available that we've selected there to make up the Smart List that we're using to report on the information. So if we were using Enhanced Notes to do a little bit of credit control functionality, or record date and timed conversations around invoices or other records in GP, we can easily report on that information via a Smart List or other report in the system. So that's just a quick overview of how we can use reporting to get access to the information stored through Enhanced Notes. Thanks for watching.